Hi there, I'm going to show you how to restring a 26-2 strimmer head. So you don't need to take this one apart, we just need to feed the line in through the eyelets. And you want about 6 meters worth of line to fill the spool inside. So I'm just pushing that in one end and eventually it'll start to come out the other end. So you just pull that all the way through until you are halfway through. And then once that is fed through, just have a look at the head. It shows you with arrows how it wants you to spin it, and all you're doing is spinning the black part in the middle. So you just push it in and spin. And this will self-wind itself inside and stop when you're at your required length, and that is that head restrung.